I'm Marcus McElveen. I teach auto collision here at Florence Career Center. In auto collision, we do a lot of fun things. We paint cars. I'll show you how to fix dents and fix dings. We do window regulators, window motors. We fix seat tracks. Anything to do with the exterior of a car, we'll be able to help you with that. Usually the students in this class, they really enjoy it, the hands-on approach. There's a lot of things that you can get out of this program. You're able to write estimates for insurance companies, body shops. You're able to do different things at car dealerships. It's a multitude of things you can do in this program. We'll be excited to have you here.
Yeah, it's fun because we get treated as adults in the classroom, so it's kind of like we're already in the real world, in a real shop.
Our curriculum comes out of the iCar program. It's something that you'll be able to take home. You'll be able to get certification for it. It's a real good program for young guys and girls who want to experience cars.
I've always liked working with cars, and I didn't really know what I wanted to do, but I thought maybe working on the outside painting and stuff like that would be more fun than internal stuff on a car. I've actually taken something I've learned from this class and started my own business.
If you have any interest in cars, this would be a great fit for you because that's mainly what we do.